Welcome to the Value Insight Builder, where you can develop most probable selling price in the purchase and sale transaction of the small business. And you can do more. Publish a professional CIM. Include project details like the value canvas, allocation of price, bank and seller financing, seller proceeds, and real estate lease or buy options. In a single cloud-based app, you can move from tax returns to marketing materials in about an hour. Everything is published to your business branding specifications. Build your profile with your personal and business details. Create projects for all your deals to quickly qualify opportunities and manage your listings. Begin by entering financial information from the business tax return or financial statement for up to 5 years. Use the standardized income and expense rows from the 1120S tax return and add additional rows for company-specific items. Adjust each item as necessary to remove the impact of activities outside of regular operations, such as non-recurring income or owner discretionary expenses, to show the normalized income statement. See the results in terms of dollars and common-sized percentage to identify trends and variations. Move to the balance sheet to enter assets and sources of capital. Since valuation is always forward-looking in the historical context, forecast future performance by selecting a growth rate for revenue and develop a cost structure for fixed and variable expenses. Performance of the business can be compared to itself over time and to other companies in the same industry with the RMA e-statement studies. Use the classic profitability and activity ratios to build your understanding of company performance. The value canvas allows you to add the story of the business, and shows the 4 factors of value: how the company creates a market of customers, adds value with products and services, operates efficiently with people, processes, and resources, and uses assets to support business operations. Develop the most probable selling price based on the performance of the company in the market approach. Based on your judgment, apply a factor from a range of multiples in the market profile approach, or use the custom approach. Allocation of price allows you to show the assets included in the deal, such as inventory and fixed assets, and recognize any excess working capital and additional assets. These are the items the buyer receives. Seller proceeds displays the amounts before tax that the seller receives. Consider if owner-occupied real estate is part of the purchase transaction. In the financing model, you can develop typical terms and structure for bank and seller financing. This is helpful to consider how attractive the price is to a wider range of buyers who may use financing. Preview the report and select the content. Customize the report to match your brand. Publish the report and download the finished work. When you want to move from tax returns to an outstanding CIM and other marketing materials published to your brand, Use the Value Insight Builder from BizProValue.